Hi everyone.
Hi everybody.
We are in Pensacola, Florida. And the reason why we are here instead of
Albany, Georgia.
is because
the weather was going to be really cold and they were talking about freezing weather at night. So we changed our route to stay towards in the south.
yeah, along the 10, at least the 10 or below the 10.
Below the 10.
And I was called Pensacola RV camp and they had
A space.
space.
And we said,
Let's
that's
go.
where we're going.
Right, so in order to avoid the freezing nights, I think it was like going to be 30 degrees or something like
Yes.
that
Yes.
in the northern part of
Albany, Georgia,
Yeah.
and Alabama and Tennessee was going to be really cold, and so was
Arkansas and Oklahoma. That was our original path.
That was our original path, and they were talking about snow in those areas. So
Yeah, so
we decided to change our route.
yeah, so
Stay south.
stay
Way
south. Well, as far south, without going into Florida further south.
Further south, yeah, in Florida.
So here we are in Pensacola. It's been raining for the whole time we've been here.
This is the third day of rain, all day long.
Yeah, all day long. So we don't have a lot of video to shoot to a nice sunny place, but here's the video for Pensacola RV camp, and we'll talk to you guys. We'll see you guys next time.
Okay, see you later. Bye.
Silent light extremes. Just let me paint your heart with